Let's get into it. So first of all, you need to go to photopea.com. This is the photos file alternatives. I guess you know the drill if you have been following me. In the source file, you need to drag and drop the IGV1 into the black area or canvas. Then you have to expand the subject folder, then double click this subject, the sub portrait, then again double click the and you have to hide this one, and you have to place your image or portrait into this area. If you have images of your portrait without any background, that's fine. If you don't have, then we can actually use AI. So I'm going to do it later, but please don't make me sign in again. I'm going to use this prompt: realistic portrait photo of actor Joy Tribbiani from Friends series. Add the expression smiling, looking directly to the camera. That's pretty important. So we get the portrait look. Add white background so it's easier for us to remove the background. Realistic portrait photo of actor The Rock in funny mood. Add the expression smiling, looking directly to the camera. Add white background. Don't add any shots or clothes so the six-pack can be visible. So it's totally up to you if you want to have clothes or not. It's totally up to you. Alright, so I'm going to use this one. This icon, I need to remove the background. So as I've already removed the background, so I'm going to do it. So if I go to the no background option, then I can simply go and click this copy to clipboard. Then you have to go to this next website. It's called upscale.media, and you have to press Ctrl+V, of course, to paste the image, and it will take some time, and you will have the image. Right click the image, go to open in new tab, and then right click again and select copy image, or go to photopea.com, then Ctrl+V to paste the image onto this area. And then you have to make sure that transform controls is checked, and then you can make it smaller or bigger. So you can make it actually bigger, so press Ctrl+C only. Oh, sorry, my bad, only C, not Ctrl+C. Then you have to make it a little bit wider or bigger, whatever you want, and then make it in the center. Then press Ctrl+S to save it. Now go to the subject canvas, and as you can see, I guess Joy got some sunburn or whatever it is. So you have to play around with these three options. So if I enable this one, it kind of make it a little bit darker, so I don't want this. Or if I have this too, it will make it lighter, so I guess it will be a nice fit for this image. Then you have to press again Ctrl+C. Ctrl+S. Okay, Ctrl+S to save it. Then go to this igv1.psd. Actually get some weird lightings, some this kind of thing. What you can do actually, you can go to the auto select option and disable this one, and then select the left, right, and then make it into a left side. So until you just have some kind of a sweet spot, and do the same thing for the right one as well. If you want, you can completely get rid of this one. I guess it will also look good, so it's totally up to you. Expanding text area, then double click this one, and you can have your text. I guess for this kind of thumbnail, it actually works best. If you have some kind of numbers, I'm just going to have 69. There is nothing going on. This number it just came on my mind. Now you have to go to the previous layer. If you want to change the color, then you have to double click this icon, and you have to play around with the HUE slider. So I'm going to go with the pink color. So yeah, let's do it, why not? Then you have subject behind subject right and behind subject left lightning. So let's work with the left one. Double click this icon, and again play around with the slider. So I will just have some kind of a purplish tone on this left side, and for the right one I will have the blue color. So if you press space bar, and you can move around with this canvas area freely. The next right and left color, so it's the most prominent color. So for the right one, we're gonna use the same color. So if you want to have some different color, you can use this, but I'm going to use the same color as the previous one. And for the left one, I'm going to have some kind of a purplish tone, so it will have something like this, maybe a little bit lighter, or yeah, pink color. I guess the pink will be nice. You can also change the background if you want. So to change the background, you have to first of all unlock the layer, and you can go to pixels.com to get copyright free images. Then you can download it, and of course make sure you give the attribution. Select the BG layer, the BG folder, then Ctrl+V to paste the image, and the anchor point to adjust the as per your likeness. And make sure you keep your any kind of background you have below this hue saturation layer, so it will have the black and white kind of look. I'm just going to hide this one. I'm going to stick with the previous one. We're pretty much done. I guess we don't have anything to do right now with this one. It's time for the to save this image. Go to file and select export as, and go to JPG. We save. So as you can see, we have the Iman Gadzhi look within few taps, in few minutes. If you want to know how to make thumbnail like Ali Abdar, you can watch this video. Yeah, Yes. Of course, you can download the free source file, the link in the description box below. So yeah, go and download this and enjoy this. Creative, keep creating. Yeah, see you in the next video. Yeah, bye. Take my lunch. Bye bye.